Welcome to this video about the top 5 foods that can help reduce hunger and support weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight, you know that hunger pangs can be one of the biggest obstacles to overcome. But the good news is that there are certain foods that can help you feel full and satisfied for longer, making it easier to stick to your diet and achieve your weight loss goals. In this video, we'll explore 5 foods that are not only delicious but can also help reduce hunger and support weight loss. We'll discuss their nutritional benefits, how they work to keep you feeling full, and ways to incorporate them into your diet. Whether you're looking for healthy snack options or meal ideas that can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals, this video has got you covered. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the top 5 foods that can help reduce hunger for weight loss. 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a nutritious and filling food that can be an excellent addition to your weight loss diet. It is high in fiber, which is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest, meaning it passes through the digestive system without being absorbed. This high fiber content helps to slow down digestion, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods of time. By promoting feelings of fullness, oatmeal can help prevent overeating and snacking between meals, which can contribute to weight gain. In addition to its high fiber content, oatmeal also has a low glycemic index. The glycemic index is a measure of how quickly a carbohydrate-containing food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a high glycemic index can cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels, followed by a crash that can lead to hunger and cravings. However, oatmeal has a low glycemic index, which means it is absorbed more slowly, keeping blood sugar levels steady and reducing the likelihood of hunger and cravings. Moreover, oatmeal is a versatile food that can be easily customized to suit your preferences. It can be cooked with water or milk, and you can add various toppings to enhance its flavor and nutritional value. Adding fruits, nuts, and seeds to oatmeal can further increase its fiber and protein content, making it an even more satisfying meal. Overall, oatmeal is a great food option for reducing hunger and supporting weight loss due to its high fiber content and low glycemic index. By incorporating oatmeal into your diet, you can help regulate your appetite and prevent overeating, which can ultimately lead to weight loss success. 2. Apples. Apples are a nutritious and satisfying snack that can help reduce hunger and support weight loss. Apples are high in fiber, a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods of time. This can prevent overeating and snacking between meals, leading to a reduced calorie intake and weight loss over time. In addition to their fiber content, apples are also high in water, which further enhances their ability to keep you feeling full. The high water content in apples adds volume to the fruit without adding calories, making them a great snack option for those trying to lose weight. In fact, research has shown that consuming fruits and vegetables with high water and fiber content can lead to weight loss and improved overall health. Moreover, apples are low in calories, with an average medium-sized apple containing about 95 calories. This makes them an excellent snack choice for those looking to reduce their calorie intake and lose weight. By incorporating apples into your diet, you can enjoy a satisfying and nutritious snack that can help reduce hunger and support your weight loss goals. Overall, apples are a great food option for reducing hunger and supporting weight loss due to their high fiber and water content and low calorie count. By adding apples to your diet, you can enjoy a delicious and satisfying snack that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a fantastic food option for those looking to reduce hunger and support weight loss. Eggs are a great source of protein, which is a macronutrient that is known to be highly satiating. Eating protein-rich foods like eggs can help you feel full for longer periods of time and prevent overeating. Moreover, eggs are a versatile food that can be prepared in a variety of ways, making them a great addition to any meal. You can boil, fry, scramble, or poach eggs, and they can be enjoyed on their own or added to other dishes like salads or sandwiches. This versatility makes eggs a convenient and easy food to incorporate into your diet, whether you're cooking at home or eating out. Additionally, eggs are a nutrient-dense food, meaning they provide a high amount of vitamins and minerals relative to their calorie count. This makes them a great choice for those trying to lose weight as they provide essential nutrients while keeping calorie intake in check. It's worth noting that the yolk of the egg is the most nutrient-dense part, containing important nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and antioxidants. So, if you're looking to maximize the nutritional benefits of eggs, it's best to eat the whole egg rather than just the whites. Overall, eggs are a great food option for reducing hunger and supporting weight loss due to their high protein content, versatility, and nutrient density. By incorporating eggs into your diet, you can enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal or snack that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. 4. Avocado. Avocados are a nutrient-dense food that can help reduce hunger and support weight loss. They are rich in healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Furthermore, avocados are high in fiber, a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest. Eating foods high in fiber can help slow down digestion and keep you feeling full for longer periods of time, which can prevent overeating and snacking between meals. Moreover, avocados are a great source of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. These nutrients are essential for overall health and can help support weight loss efforts by keeping the body functioning properly. Avocado is a versatile food that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, making it a great addition to any meal. It can be used as a topping for toast or salads, as a creamy addition to smoothies, or even as a healthy replacement for mayo or sour cream in recipes. It's important to note that while avocados are high in healthy fats, they are also high in calories. So, it's important to enjoy them in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Overall, avocados are a great food option for reducing hunger and supporting weight loss due to their high healthy fat and fiber content and their abundance of essential vitamins and minerals. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you can enjoy a nutritious and satisfying food that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. 5. Legumes. Legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are a great food option for those looking to reduce hunger and promote weight loss. Legumes are an excellent source of both fiber and protein, which are both key nutrients for feeling full and satisfied. The fiber in legumes is a type of carbohydrate that cannot be digested by the body, which means it stays in the digestive system longer and helps to slow down digestion. This results in a feeling of fullness that can last for hours and help prevent overeating and snacking between meals. Moreover, legumes are a great source of complex carbohydrates, which are broken down more slowly by the body, leading to a more gradual and sustained release of energy. This can help regulate blood sugar levels, prevent cravings, and keep you feeling energized and satisfied for longer periods of time. In addition, legumes are a nutrient-dense food that are rich in vitamins and minerals such as folate, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for overall health and can help support weight loss efforts by keeping the body functioning properly. Legumes are also a versatile food that can be prepared in a variety of ways, making them a great addition to any meal. They can be added to soups, salads, and stews or used as a replacement for meat in dishes like tacos or burritos. Overall, legumes are a fantastic food option for reducing hunger and promoting weight loss due to their high fiber and protein content, complex carbohydrates, and abundance of essential vitamins and minerals. By incorporating legumes into your diet, you can enjoy a delicious and nutritious food that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. That's it for our top 5 foods that can help reduce hunger and support weight loss. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Remember, it's not just about eating less, but about choosing the right foods that can help you achieve sustainable weight loss. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.